In this video, we are going to find the value of cosine 36 degrees minus sine 18 degrees. Before we move on, don't forget to give a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications. I'm going to evaluate this in two ways. My first approach is to rewrite sine 18 degrees as cosine 72 degrees. This is because 18 and 72 add up to be 90, so these two angles are complementary, so I can rewrite sine as cosine. Then I can rewrite the two terms into cosine of 54 degrees minus 18 degrees, while for 72, I'm going to rewrite as 54 degrees plus 18 degrees. I picked the number 54 and 18 because 54 is the mean, the average of 36 and 72, while 18 is the difference between the mean and the two numbers. Then I'll use the compound angle formula where product of cosines plus the product of sines for the first term, while for second term it's not plus but minus instead. So I'll get 2 times sine 54 degrees times sine 18 degrees. Of course, you can also directly obtain this with the sum to product formula. Now at this point, I'm going to rewrite everything into cosine. Again, using the complementary angle relation, I can rewrite this as 2 times cos 36 degrees times cos 72 degrees. Now at this point, I'm going to treat it like a fraction with 1 as the denominator and multiply both the top and the bottom by sine of 36 degrees. The reason that I do this is that the terms highlighted in yellow can be put together with the double angle formula for sine. And so we get sine of double of 36 degrees, and that's 72 degrees, times cosine 72 degrees, all divided by sine 36 degrees. Then I'm going to multiply both entries by 2 again. And so for the top, I will have sine 144 degrees, while for the bottom we have 2 times sine 36 degrees. Now at this point we can even cancel the sine term because 144 degrees and 36 degrees are supplementary angles. And so the sine has to be equal. So I can cross them out, and the value is actually exactly 1/2. So this is my first approach. Another possible way to solve this is that I will treat this expression as a fraction with 1 as the denominator and multiply both the top and the bottom by 2 times cos 18 degrees. So we have cos 36 degrees times cos 18 degrees minus sine 18 degrees cos 18 degrees, like this. Then I'm going to use the product to sum formula for the first term. For this, we will get 1/2 of cosine difference of two angles, and that's 18 degrees, plus cosine of the sum of angles, which is 54 degrees. While for the second term, I'm going to use the double angle formula for sine, which gives half of sine 36 degrees, and all of this divided by cosine 18 degrees. Now notice that we have cos 18 degrees plus cos 54 degrees minus sine 36 degrees at the top, all divided by cos 18 degrees, and these two terms in yellow can be cancelled out because 54 and 36 degrees are complementary angles. So therefore our fraction is much simpler. Again, we can cancel out the cos 18 degrees and we have 1/2 again. So this is a second approach to calculate this value. Please feel free to share your ideas in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you next time.